Welcome back to Influencer.live. This is episode number 3, and I'm Anisha Madhawk. Let's get started. In this episode, we will look at some global internet influencers, how advertising budgets are being realigned, how influencer marketing is economical and effective, the influencer marketing industry in the world and in India. If we look at internet influencing at large, there's 2 big names that are prime, dazzling examples of how the internet made their careers a massive success. How the sky is the limit for those with passion and dreams. Both these examples are mega stars and they both come from different fields. Just as we begin, I want to ask you a question. क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि हमारे देश में कौन से इंटरनेट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं जो ऐसे हो सकते हैं? My first megastar is the one and only Justin Bieber. A first of his kind, a multi-instrumentalist singer and songwriter. Justin Drew Bieber is a living proof of the power of the social media and how it can make you a massive success. Justin was a multi-talented little kid who would perform in small gatherings all over Canada. Until at the age of 13, Justin Bieber was discovered through his YouTube video by a leading talent manager named Scooter Braun. Following this great discovery, Justin's career rose higher and higher. And very soon, he became the Prince of Pop and the world's leading internet singing sensation. And then he went on to winning many hearts with his concerts, records, and top brand endorsements. So Justin Bieber has a plethora of international awards.
I come from the smallest town in the world of like 30,000 people. I never thought this was possible.
And he has sold 150 million copies of his record since his first album came out in 2008. While I'm sure there's a lot to learn from Justin Bieber, one of the most significant things about Justin Bieber is how he skipped the queue of rigorous tests and auditions. All thanks to his YouTube channel and his ongoing internet following. Justin Bieber has always had hundreds and thousands and millions of following on social media. And that helped his team to gain the initial popularity that he needed. Looking at Justin Bieber's example, I can only imagine when would India's next internet leading singing sensation's gonna come. क्या हम में से कोई बन सकता है एक singing sensation social media के through? क्या आप में है वो बात? Now, let's look at a young girl from the United States of America become the world's youngest billionaire. How? Through social media. I am talking about the one and only Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner, for the uninitiated, is a model, influencer, mom, blogger, makeup artist, and also an accomplished businesswoman. Gotta give her that. Kylie's initial rise to fame at a very young age was thanks to the reality show that she was featured in with her sisters. And over the next few years, Kylie Jenner was cast in a number of award shows and television programs. Until in the year 2015, when Kylie Jenner came up with her own makeup brand called Kylie Cosmetics, and that made her, at the age of 21, the youngest billionaire in the world. You wonder how she did it? It is not only thanks to social media, but a special shout out to Instagram, which had a great role in her rise to riches. She also rose to fame through her unique style of wearing her lipstick, her Instagram pictures that soon became viral and women around the world started copying her style. And when Kylie Cosmetics launched, everybody wanted to buy them too, especially the lipsticks. In fact, within 1 hour, all-out sale. Her flagship company, Kylie Cosmetics, turned her fate around and she received cult status. She dominated the beauty industry with her unique makeup style and digital content. Kylie Jenner is an eye-opener who inspired millions of people from around the world. No one had ever thought that a social media influencer could become a huge business tycoon. But guess what? Sky's the limit. Her viral style content and limited scale marketing helped her reach new heights. While many beauty brands use huge budgets to market, what was it that Kylie did different? She used herself and her social media to her full advantage to make viral content that not only made her a social media sensation, but lots and lots of sales. जब मैं कायली के बारे में सोचती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि क्या हम में से कोई उसकी तरह बन सकता है? जो अपनी सोशल मीडिया और इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग को इस लेवल तक यूज कर सकता है? काश हमें वो पता हो जो उसे उस वक्त पता था. And that's why Influencer.life is here to guide people and show people the correct path to internet success.
Now that you've heard Anisha talk about top global influencers, let's talk about how the world is coming together to make internet influencing really big. Over the last 5 years, there have been many internet influencers from all around the world. Some who have had a global impact and some who have done really well in small geographies, especially in the non-English speaking world. सोचने की बात है कि millions of people wait every day to see their content and then they follow, share and comment, which then increases their followership and their viewership. The power of their personality is what attracts these brands. An average Indian person above the age of 18 spends more than about 5 hours daily on social media, and the frequency of their visit is several times a day. So much is the popularity of social media today that Instagram alone has 7 crore users in India, and TikTok has more than 10 crore users in India. और ये उन्होंने किया सिर्फ 3 साल में. हाँ, मुझे पता है कि अभी TikTok इंडिया में बैंड है. So, if now everyone is spending their time on mobile phones and on their laptops, then who is watching TV, who is listening to the radio, and who is reading the newspaper? Well, of course, these platforms are losing their viewership, and believe me, in the next 2 to 3 years, the new media and internet will far exceed in subscribers and viewers. So as you know, any media survives and flourishes with advertising. The ad money that they earn does not only make it possible to reach millions of people, but has also been a significant profit earner for these media companies. Now, with the change in viewership, advertising is slowly moving away from conventional media to the internet. As of now, we see the same kind of advertising on the internet too. It's only a matter of time that people's perspective change on advertising. They are now moving towards a more realistic and experience-based model of advertising, which is influencer marketing. You may be surprised to know that video consumption has been the driver of internet in India, growing at a rate of 24% year on year, with significant amount of money being put through it. कहाँ? YouTube पे, Facebook पे and Instagram पे और भी कई video sites पर. Now let's see how influencer marketing is effective all around the world. Influencer marketing is truly an original form of internet advertising that, although has its roots in older media, where models, sports stars and actors have been promoting products and services through the ages. Its current global avatar is actually very different from anything that existed before. But since we're talking about how economical and effective the influencer marketing is, I would like to discuss some key aspects of this type of advertising. First of all, any advertising is measured on the cost it takes to reach a single viewer. Secondly, the effectiveness of the ad can be measured by its response. And third, there are always people and their numbers that matter to advertisers. Influencer marketing has emerged as a winner across all these 3 points. While still in its early stages, influencer marketing has set a lot of rules that these brands are looking to encash. Aside to the entertainment or the infotainment aspect, the sheer followership of influencers makes the content seen by many people. Influencers have several loyalists who follow the same lifestyle choices as their preferred internet influencers. It gives brands a lot of coverage while collaborating with these internet influencers to create social media campaigns that drive product and concept. And lastly, if the content goes viral, then the type of leverage is unbelievable, which could even seem very cheap. Hence, there is an increased awareness about influencer marketing both between brands and influencers as a whole. Influencer.life is a step towards joining these key dots and make it easy for you to showcase yourself to the world. So now it leads us to the big question, the size of influencer marketing industry in India and globally. कभी-कभी जब हम एक फिगर के बारे में सोचते हैं, it seems so big that beyond a point it does not matter to you or to me. But when you imagine a portion of that money coming to you, तब समझ आता है कि हमारे लिए opportunity क्या है. अब सोचो कितने जीरो होने चाहिए आपके बैंक अकाउंट में कि आपको लगे नहीं, influencer marketing is the career option for me. And even as a side option, this could make you rich and famous. As of 2019 survey by Business Insider, the global influencer industry is $8 billion और अगले 2 साल में ये नंबर is expected to be $15 billion. Isn't this just some massive growth, guys? So, as far as India is concerned, based on research and analysis done by our own influencer.life team, और इस फिगर में हमने टीवी स्टार्स, मूवी स्टार्स, स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स और पॉलिटिशियंस को एक्सक्लूड करते हुए हमारा सर्वे कहता है कि एज ऑफ टुडे इंडियाज इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री इज एट 500 करोड़ रुपीस. And this 500 crores is distributed amongst a very small set of internet influencers and who are leading this bold new movement in India. We may stand corrected by a new report that may have a different level of data accuracy. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking अगर ये 500 crores का 1% भी मुझे मिल जाए, बोलो कितना होता है? It's amazing, isn't it? Okay guys, this brings us to the end of this episode. I hope it was entertaining and informative for you. Keep tuned in to influencer.life.